Double kill. Triple kill. Quadruple kill. Quintuple kill.
Ayo.
What up?
Well, I didn't expect Hank to be here, so I was just like, what the fuck?
Why not?
Meh.
Oh,
See, hear that? Yeah, I have weird hiccups. Yeah, okay then.
that's a normal hiccup, bro.
I didn't say anything, man.
No, I'm just saying, like, oh, you have such weird hiccups. Did you hear that? It's a fucking
That's a
pig
normal
dying.
hiccup.
It's a pig dying. It's Roadhog dying, okay?
It's not. It's a normal hiccup.
I got you really fired up about that shit, didn't I?
Ah, Jesus.
It's a normal hiccups, not yours hiccups. It's weird.
I actually I can't remember what it actually sounded like because you made so many noises.
It's weird. Believe me, it's weird.
Okay.
I hear it almost every day, and you know what?
It's not, it's a fucking hiccup. What is an example to you for a normal hiccup? Yours?
Well, yeah.
Dying. It's like you're dying.
Oh, your hiccup is even weirder. Everyone says that.
It's because their hiccups is even weirder. That's how it goes.
Yeah, it's normal.
Oh yeah, sure, yours is normal as fuck, yeah.
Yours is. Oh my gosh, shut the fuck up. Yours is weird as fuck.
It's like you're like belching.
It's like
No,
Genji dying.
It's a normal hiccup. But I'm saying. Can you just stop?
It's like Yoda trying to speak when he's choking on blood.
Girl, shut the fuck up. You're always messing